Good morning, students. I am Victoria Rani, Greater College Management Methodology lecturer. Now I am teaching Continuous Comprehensive Evaluation. What is CCE? This is the short form of the Continuous Comprehensive Evaluation. In this, C means continuous, another C means comprehensive, E means evaluation. Continuous we can do evaluation means CCE. Continuous means continuous, regular and continuous activities conducted throughout the year to achieve around development, means all round development must be there in the student. Comprehensive means not only the studies, it is developed activities of mental, emotional and physical aspects of the students. Evaluation means of the test, like that. Variety of tools and techniques are used to assess and evaluate the students progress. We can tell to the variety of the tools and techniques, means the grades, like that. What are the parts of the CCE? CCE parts are continuous and comprehensive. Continuous include the growth and development, means all-round development. Comprehensive involves scholastic and co-scholastic. Scholastic means like the subjects, all subjects, and co-scholastic means self-evaluation, feedback, retesting, correlative measures, diagnosing and regularity. These are the co-scholastic measurements. CCE, continuous and comprehensive. Continuous consider with the both formative summative evaluation, and comprehensive included both scholastic and non-scholastic aspects. Formative and summative is the like the tests, and co-scholastic and scholastic means the all-round development like skills and abilities. Continuous comprehensive evaluation includes mainly what is a CCU. CCE involves the system of the school-based evaluation for all-round development of students. Means CCE focus on all-round development of the students. Continuous means formative, periodic means summative, comprehensive means scholastic and co-scholastic. Objectives of the CCE. Main objects of the CCE are developing the cognitive, psychomotor and affective skills. Evaluation can be integral part of the teaching learning process. Teaching learning process can be learner centered method, means student centered method, is the main objects of the CCE. All learning is main based on the students. What are the uses of the CCE? Covering the scholastic and co-scholastic aspects. Scholastic means all subjects and co-scholastic means all the skills, abilities. Functional and meaningful declaration of the results of effective uses of by all. Remedial and enrichment of the programs given to the students. Tools and techniques used in the formative and summatives. Tools mainly used in the children's based. Summative means the objective, what will be given in the questions means, so objective, short questions and long answers. Scholastic means tools and techniques. What are the tools means the questions, observation, interview and checklist. Techniques means examination, assignments, quizzes and projects. Summative means objective type, short answer and long answers questions given into the CCE method of testing. Co-scholastic areas are teaching skills, social skills, emotional skills and attitude values are included to the co-scholastics. Skill developed by learning mathematics. What are the skill will be found when you focus into the CCE? Numerical ability is developed the students, mathematical problem solving in easy methods, examination of the quantities, approximations are given to the sums, visualizations, identification of the patterns, data handling, investigations and more thinking skills will be developed in the CCE pattern. CC in mathematics classrooms. In mathematics classrooms, how developed in the CC in? Mathematics plays an important role in our life. Already we know that this is the main thinking and ability will be developed when we are doing the maths. Classrooms, as for NCF, what is the CC method included in mathematics? The main goal of the mathematics at upper primary stage is that should be able to address many problems for everyday life. What we can do in everyday, that we can follow the in problem solving methods. Mathematics at the upper primary stage is major change has to perform the dual role of the doing both close to experience and environment child to the abstract level. Child can develop their abstract abilities, skills and all-round development through the doing the problem solving methods. Like this way, children can develop in CCE pattern. It can develop all-round development means included all skills, abilities, knowledge, thinking, all like this all-round development given to the CC pattern in mathematics. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.